artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an overarching principle, a form of intelligence, a type of technology, and a field of study. While it seems to be something which came into existence recently, artificial intelligence has been making news since 1956. Artificial intelligence has the potential to impact industries and workforces in profound ways and help unlock enormous economic potential. Which is why governments worldwide are working on creating comprehensive national AI strategies to create sustainable, inclusive, and positive impact on its citizens, industries, and overall societies. With India's AI strategy being centered around inclusiveness, it is imperative for us to provide a national level mechanism to facilitate as wide section of the community as possible to participate in an Indian AI future. Keeping this goal in mind, Ministry of Education, Central Board of Secondary Education, and Intel India bring to you AI for All. Launched to introduce artificial intelligence and its role in our lives today, this program aims to broaden the perspective of people towards exploring the possibilities and concerns revolving around AI in a self-learning format. The program is divided into two sections, AI Aware and AI Appreciate. Both sections can be completed in about 4 hours. And so this stage introduces us to artificial intelligence and helps us recognize it in its common applications. It helps us realize that artificial intelligence mimics human intelligence and let us understand what AI can or cannot do. This second stage helps us appreciate the possibilities, concerns, and ethics of artificial intelligence. At the end of this stage, we get a chance to move ahead in our AI learning journey through a self-learning plan. Exciting, isn't it? So, let's get ready to begin our journey of artificial intelligence. Hey, remember me? I'm Joy, your bot host. Great to see you moving ahead in your AI learning journey. Now that you know what AI is and what it is capable of, let us take a look at different applications of AI that are commonly found around us. Have you noticed how machines slowly made their way in our lives? In today's time, it is almost impossible for anyone to live without them. Machines were invented to ease our lives, and now we are progressing towards technologies which are intelligent enough to do even more for us. Various companies have started incorporating artificial intelligence in their products or services to enhance the customer's experience. Knowingly or unknowingly, we all have been using AI at different times. Starting with the most basic examples, we all use the internet these days to get answers to anything that pops up in our mind. We simply go to a search engine like Google and key in our query, and the search engine comes up with thousands of answers which might be relevant to the question in a couple of seconds. How does it do that? Well, it is the power of AI which helps the search engine in understanding the question properly and go through a huge amount of information in the fraction of a second. Not only this, but AI also helps it to sort out the results on the basis of their relevance to the question. While this seems to be done by humans, it is actually the machine doing everything all by itself. Apart from this, AI helps out in navigation these days. Applications like Google Maps are based on AI models which help us find the shortest route to reach our destination, taking care of all the real-time constraints like traffic destiny, accident detection, closed routes, etc. Which is why it is more convenient for us to travel without getting lost. E-commerce, on the other hand, provides us with customized solutions with the help of intelligent algorithms. Uber connects us to our nearest cabs in a jiffy. Amazon and Flipkart gives us customized suggestions for purchases, and Lenskart uses its own facial recognition AI to help us find a suitable frame according to our face. Food delivery apps like Swiggy and Zomato also use AI for providing tailor-made suggestions to their customers to help them satisfy their cravings with least effort. Not only this, but AI is used for entertainment too. Platforms like YouTube, Saavn, Gaana, Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, etc. use AI to provide the best user experience to their customers. These platforms suggest songs, movies, or internet series to people based on their past preferences. Gaming companies incorporate AI models to enhance the gaming experience for players worldwide. AI-enabled bots play alongside real players in the game to raise the challenge and make the game more interesting for them. Well, this is not it. There are a lot more applications of AI which we have not covered here. Why don't you give it a try and find out other applications of artificial intelligence that you might commonly use? Try this out and I'll see you soon. Bye!